Hi friends, today I am going to make a video on how to make dahi badas within 15 minutes. So to start off, I'll show you the ingredients that are required. I'll draw your attention here. If we look at all the ingredients, this is red chutney or saunt as we call it, and in one of this is pre-ready and pre-cooked. In fact, it is available in the market also with the halwais. You can buy it from the restaurant, or otherwise in my next video I'll show you how to make this at home as well. This is a paste of chili and ginger. So chili and ginger have been deep in the grinder, and this is the paste we have here. I have some coriander leaves or dhania. Here I have red chili powder. This is jeera powder. Here I have salt, some white salt and as well as some black salt, and there is some sugar here. To mix all these together, I will be putting them in the yogurt which has been churned earlier, and it has been churned in such a manner that there are no small lumps inside it. So it is a smooth paste curd made out of full cream milk. Now from here I will go towards making the vadas. In order to make the vadas, I had soaked urad dal overnight, the half a bowl of dal soaked overnight, and then I ran it through the mixie, and this is the type of paste that I have got. It's a lot of fluff in it. This way you get the fluff in it, so that when your dahi vadas come out, they are really soft and delicious. The only problem that people have that their dahi vadas are a little hard, and when you put your spoon through it, it doesn't cut nice. Now this is preheated oil. The wok is already ready, so I'm going to make the dahi vadas. So I'm going to make 4 here today. So slowly I'm going to drop them, and it really doesn't matter what is the shape or the size, because when you will soak it in the yogurt and when you will set it, it won't actually show. See? That you need to be a little careful so that you don't burn your hand or you don't get any splinters across. Be very careful when you're dealing with them. So, we'll wait for the color to change. We'll brown them up a little bit. Now as you can see, they are ready. They have been fried well, and the color has turned light golden color, and they are quite crispy now. So I'm going to take them out, and I'm going to take them directly to a bowl of water that I have kept on the side. Now why I am doing this, actually this will help me remove the excess oil. Now I'll wait for it to cool down for some time, and in the meantime we'll prepare the yogurt ready for the dahi vadas. So for the yogurt to be prepared, first I will add a pinch of black salt. Only pinch of black salt, and I will not add salt right now. Here, there it goes in, and I'll add 2 teaspoons of sugar. This is about, you can say, half a kg of yogurt. Then I'm going to add the chili ginger paste. So about half a teaspoon of chili ginger paste. So I'll allow all the essence to go in, and then I'm going to churn it and mix it. Don't have sugar at home, or probably if you have castor sugar at home, it will be even easier and it will mix quickly. So you can use castor sugar instead of sugar. The quantity remains the same, that is 2 teaspoons. Now as you can see, what I did is I pressed out water from the vada, and I have dipped it in and then put it in the tray where I have to set it. Again I count for the next one, press it, dip it in and set it. As you can see, the tray is well set. I have already put all the vadas here after having dipped them in the yogurt. Now I will cover it up fully with yogurt quickly. So this vadas should be well dipped. This we must take care of, that it should be well dipped. The next to go in is the saunt. So here, as you can see, I am laying it out. You can put it in any sort of a design. After having done this, I'll put little bit of salt to taste on top. Here I have the jeera, black jeera with me, and I have the red chili. So I'm going to make a design out of it so that it looks nice and pretty. But you can always sprinkle it all over, and that. These are actually cumin seeds. Now I'm going to make these rows or columns, depends on which way you see, with the red chili powder in between to give this a nice feel. And so here's it. So we have the brown color, we have the red color, and just to bring in a little green in, I'm going to put a little bit of coriander. Dahi vada is ready to go. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it, and I will wait for your views, comments, and I hope you find it good enough to share it with your friends. Thank you.